Good morning, family. Ham's Law. Assalamu alaikum. It's Sunday morning, about 10:30. It's a little warm. I'm at my 1 mile mark. This is the first day that I ever did a toss with these birds. So we're in my favorite Kroger's parking lot. Kroger's right there. Open space, no poles. Technically, I live that way. We're gonna see what they do. Got a total of 88 birds. I got one with a broken wing. He's at the house. That makes 89. And then I got one that was at another person's house. That makes 90. So I had 100 bands. So let's start off with 100, and I'm starting out with 90. So I know one of them ain't gonna be able to fly, and one of them is back at the house. And then I got 2 bands from birds that had passed away. So I think I'm in good. I'm starting off 8 birds short of the 100. So let's start, and let me go put this stuff in a spot, and then we'll release the wolves. Oh, here we go, right here with the setup. Some got more than 20 in them, except for, I know that one. It's got probably 21, but all the rest of them got more than 20. These are bigger, you can see, so they are crunched together. I don't think all the birds gonna come back, but hell, I can't baby nobody. I bought a new truck. Well, I ain't gonna say I bought a new truck. I bought a used truck, so I don't have to put the birds in the back of my SUV. Okay, let's try it. Okay, the birds have been sitting. They've been sitting over 10 minutes already, so let's go ahead and let them loose. Just want to make sure that it is recording. Got everybody in the group. And one single straggler. There they go. I'm only a mile from the house. I'm gonna try to be able to get y'all back without just hitting the pause. I ain't gonna stand here and watch them. Let's get the pause on. Get them home. They still flying over here. They got everything bagged up. I'm gonna head to the house. They should be probably not there when I get there because they're flying over here trying to get their bearings, but hey, it is what it is. Okay, people, it's shit. It's only been about a few minutes. It's probably about 10:35, something like that. Made it home, got all the stuff in. Haven't been to the backyard yet, but I definitely gonna look in the backyard right quick. I know ain't nobody here because ain't nobody on the roof, and they ain't that damn good. Might be one or two here, but I seen them still flying around. All right, nobody's here. I was expecting either they're gonna be here real fast or they're gonna be real late. So let's put you on pause. Wait for them to come. Okay, people, it's been about 10 minutes. Well, it's been about 15 minutes actually. I got one lone blue bar that came trapped in right there. Take a look and see. I don't know what band number. You see them a little wind up. That's the only thing. One blue bar. All right, let's see what's gonna happen later. All right, it's been 30 minutes and we got seven. We got uh 7 more that just dropped in, or 8. We got 8 more that just dropped in 30 minutes, so we got a total of 9 in. All right, people, it's 11:45 and the bulk of the babies came home. Yep, that's pretty much most of them. A lot of them already, you can see them trapping in, so we're not gonna worry too much about them. Guess I could give them a little feed. I know some of them haven't came down yet, but that's it. Tomorrow is Monday. Of course, I gotta be at work early, so I'll let them out when I get back, but now is road time. Every chance I get, I'm gonna start taking some out and just letting them go. I really like to get them all at the same time, but it took a while to get all 80 something of them. That was a lot, more than I thought. All right, comment, subscribe, do what you do. What do you think? Peace.